Hey guys, welcome back to Social Nerd. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your OnlyFans account from your mobile or desktop. Whether you are a creator or a subscriber to OnlyFans, you may find yourself wanting to delete your account at some point. Perhaps you no longer have time to develop content or you no longer wish to pay subscription fees to the different channels. Deleting your account is relatively simple. And if this is something you are looking to do, you are in the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to delete your OnlyFans account as a subscriber or a creator. So to delete an OnlyFans account from a personal computer, watch this video very carefully and follow the simple steps. First, go to any browser on your desktop. Then on the search field, go and search for onlyfans.com. And make sure you are logged into it so you can land onto an interface like this. Now go to the top left corner and tap onto the profile icon. Now from the options below, go to the settings option and tap on it. By tapping on it, it provides us various options. Now go to account option and tap on it. On the account section, scroll down to the bottom and on the account management section, you can see the delete account option, tap on it. As an OnlyFans creator, deleting your account on a PC is relatively straightforward. Now enter the code that matches in the picture. The delete account button will then be active and now you can tap on it. Now it is important to remember that your account will be only properly deleted after the last subscription to your channel expires. Until then your account will only be disabled, so go and tap onto yes delete. Once the account is successfully deleted, you will be brought back to the login page of OnlyFans. So this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.